Hey guys, we did a slingshot alarm. We haven't done one of these in a while. Basically, this is a 2022 slingshot. To arm the alarm, you're gonna hit lock on the app. Okay, I'll flash your lights one time. Disarm it, you're gonna hit unlock. Okay, for location, you just press this button here and the map pops up because it has GPS. But we're gonna, for security reasons, we're not gonna show location. And this will be our information, the voltage of the slingshot and the signal of the unit. The voltage is nice because once in a while you can open up the app and see if your battery is going down. So pretty much you can come out and start the bike and get it charged up. So I'm gonna go ahead and arm it again. Okay. Basically, the way it works is somebody jumps in the bike, it's gonna set off. He's gonna get an alert on his phone. The alert is not finalized yet by the server. It takes 12 hours for it to do it. So we're not gonna be showing that at the moment. So I'm gonna go ahead and get in. Basically it goes for like 2 minutes, but I went ahead and shut it off right away. And that's basically it. It comes with the remote controls. This thing is not a car that has power locks and stuff like that, so it's just basically somebody jumps in, you're going to get an alert to your phone right away, and it has GPS. And this is garage kept. The customer, when he goes out to dinner and stuff like that, he doesn't want anybody, because a lot of people can be very disrespectful. They can jump in the bike and act like the bike is theirs, taking pictures and selfies and whatnot. So he wanted something that fires off, and not only for that, for theft too. But basically for that type of situation. This slingshot alarm here was done in Miami, Florida by auto alarm specialist. If you guys are out of state, feel free to, if you like this setup right here, feel free to give us a call, and we can guide you how to get this installed in your hometown. And basically, we also have a website. It's called slingshotalarm.com, and you can purchase a kit there. It comes prepped already, and we give you guys installation videos so you can do the install yourself if you're out of state. To arm it, hit lock, disarm it, unlock. Okay, went ahead and honked the same horn of the bike because for one it's louder, and we wouldn't want a siren in there because a lot of times the rain gets up under the hood. This is not like a car, and that thing gets really hot by the manifold, so the best thing to do is to honk the horn of the bike, and it stays more factory. So yep, there you go. This is a 2022 slingshot. Look at this thing, has heated seats. It's pretty. The difference between this bike and the older ones, for one, is automatic. The other ones were all stick shift, and this one is a push to start. The other ones you have to turn the key in the ignition. This one's a little more safer as far as theft because it's a little harder to. You have to kind of like program another fob to get going. And basically the dealer does that. The other ones, the ones that are more dangerous are the ones that have the key in the steering column. They can bust that out real easy and take off with your bike. But and then especially the stick shift one that they can roll it down the street. We had a customer that the way they got their bike stolen, they went to they went to a restaurant, have breakfast before they go into a nice Sunday, and there's a big truck. They use a dually to block the sight of the bike, and then they went ahead and rolled it out. And when the dually rolled out, the bike was gone. So yeah, that was and the guy was he didn't have the alarm or anything, but he told me the story after I did the alarm, and he parked it purposely so he can keep an eye from the window while he was having breakfast. And you noticed the truck blocked it. He didn't think of anything. And then when the truck moved out the way and the bike was gone, they probably follow him or whatnot, and they had it all set up. So that when these type of bikes, you can't pull a routine. Like every morning you go eat breakfast at the same place, sooner or later they'll see your bike a few times and then they'll plan something for you. But either way, this was installed here in Miami, Florida. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814, and we thank you for watching this video.